Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. I hope everyone is doing well. We are in the lovely Albufeira Old Town and we're going to see Wagwan. So let's see Wagwan, you know the vibe. Let's get over to the sun. So this is like the main sort of area, just sort of opposite or behind us is the main square. If you do want to know what that looks like, we have got videos on that. Most recent one came out a few days ago, but we've got sort of old ones as well if you want to see it in different times of the year. Again, depending on when you're coming here or if you're thinking about coming here. So a little bit more variety in the shops along here. Hey! And we've got more like market stalls as well. As we go further up here, it's where you actually get the bus as well. So if you are getting the bus from Faro, it will stop up here. Just if you guys want to know, and then you just walk straight into the square. See some prices for some clothes for anyone interested. So €5 for, that just looks like summer trousers. $9.99 for those ones. And then you've got yourselves some shorts. Simple little beach dress. $12.99. So yeah, clothes-wise, not bad prices. See how much these beach towels are, because I know you no one ever brings a beach towel. Or you just like to buy one as a souvenir. Very pretty colours, isn't it? So $9.90, but these are quite big ones, as you can see. Then you've got your joke t-shirts and everything, your football tops. I think in between. Got some more restaurants coming up here. Cannot remember which one we ate in. It was one of these. I think it's one coming up, the Italian one actually. Had a really nice pizza. Very, very nice pizza. Let's have a look at the prices. So large beer €3.50, small €1.50, cocktail €6. It's not bad. Seems to be the sort of going rate at the moment. Again, if you have been here and you know somewhere cheaper, put it below, because this is what we're about, bringing a community that can share and give people advice, so we have a heads up. Oh, I'm okay, thank you. Slightly more for a larger beer there. A smaller beer, sorry. Again, large was €3. That's our little tuk-tuk. They're actually quite expensive. I would say get both if, again, you're on a budget. My tip to you is you can get the bus. It will come up here. If you want to, cheaper from the airport, cheapest way, or a Bolt. Do look on the Bolts. You do have to do it at the time rather than pre-booking. And getting around, obviously try and walk or just get the Bolts. And if you're not on a budget, then get yourself a tuk-tuk. So nice little area. Again, loads of shops. And you can see the buses. I'll walk up to the buses. I think I've got time. Meeting Kirk in a minute. Pretty little souvenirs. Nice leather store. Tobacco and spirits. Again, a lot of places are closed because of the weekend. Saturday, obviously, I think will be open. Sundays is a little bit more. People have their day off. And then, yeah, so up here is the bus station. So if you want to get a bus on a day out, this is where you go. I think we got a bus once from Seville, from Seville to Albufeira, and this is where it got off. And then we got the bus, I think, from here to Faro, the airport, and this is where we got it. It's also a taxi rank there as well. But yeah, there's a spa there as well, so before you get the bus, grab yourself some water and food, snacks. It has got a bakery in that one as well, which is good. So yeah, that was a little walk from the main bit, so the main square in Albufeira, up to here, just to show you guys how to get the bus in, a little bit of information. So yeah, let's do the opposite side and do a walk back. Right, we're going to wait to cross over. There's a crossing, so I should probably go up to that. So let's do that. There we go. Right. Got that sort of statue in the middle, so let's walk down the central part. Not sure what that is. If anyone knows, let me know. But yeah, you've got all these benches that go all the way through. So it's a nice little seating area. I think most of these apartment blocks are going to be more private than hotels. So yeah, do let me know if you have stayed in this area. Put your comments below. And we're basically just gone back on ourselves, so walking from, imagine if you got off the bus, back to the main square, Old Town, Albufeira, just so you guys can have a little idea, get your bearings. But once you come here, it's really easy to find your way around, and you can walk quite easily from Old Town to the main new town. Here's a bit of a walk, I'm not going to lie, but on a nice day with a good pair of shoes, it is no problem. No problem at all. Some music going on there. We've got these zebra crossings, let's cross over. Don't see many people on bikes here, so when you go to Benidorm, obviously you've got all the mobility scooters and everyone's on sort of scooters and bikes. Not as much here. Everyone just seems to kind of walk. It's definitely more of a walk around community. I don't actually to check that. Maybe in the new town there's more scooters and stuff. I see a lot more in the new town, but this side definitely more. Just everyone walks everywhere. If I'm incorrect and been completely oblivious, do put in the comments below, because I can be extremely vigilant and then not very vigilant. So this is the other side. Again, more shops, more restaurants, more of everything that you need. And this is again just off the main square, which we're now going to head back into. One straight line, but if you've got a lot of luggage, do bear that in mind getting that bus, because this flooring is quite broken up. That sort of cobblestone. So we have past Mr. Ribs again. These are everywhere, the ribs and wings. And we've not tried them. So again, let us know if it's any good. Is it worth a stop? Good old ribs and wings. Hi.
I'm in the vlog.
You are in the vlog.
Where are you from?
From England. Maybe next time. No, we were very good. We've got an apartment now where we've been cooking. So we have been out for a few meals, but we had a really nice, it was turkey meatballs with some like pancetta, fresh pasta, beautiful. And then we had some like mixed sausages this morning, which was so good. The meat here is really, really yummy. Right, so I think we are there. So I can see Tic Tac Bar in the corner. As I said to you, this just brings you straight back to the square. If you did watch any of our previous videos, I did like a little walk up to this point. So just giving you all the sort of different angles, the different areas that there is in Albufeira. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There is still a few of you who aren't subscribed who are watching. It really does mean the world to us. Helps shift the content, and it really does mean everything. Super grateful. Hope you all have a blessed day. See you guys on the next one.